Ohmsett is the National Oil Spill Response, Research, and Renewable Energy Test Facility.
For more than 35 years, Ohmsett has been developing and testing equipment and techniques used to detect, contain, and clean up spilled oil in the marine environment.
Ohmsett is managed by the United States Department of the Interior's Bureau of Safety and Environmental Enforcement, BSEE. The Department of Interior manages the nation's offshore oil resources and natural gas.
While overseeing the development of energy resources, the Bureau of Safety and Environmental Enforcement helps prevent marine pollution by assisting the oil spill response industry in developing and testing better oil spill recovery equipment.
Ohmsett's mission is to increase oil spill response capability and efficiency through independent and objective performance testing of equipment, providing realistic training to response personnel, and improving response technologies through research and development.
Ohmsett is the only facility in North America where full-scale equipment testing and training can be conducted with oil in a simulated marine environment. It has proven to be an ideal venue for developing and testing oil spill response equipment, for preparing responders with realistic training, and for validating research results.
Ohmsett is located at the waterfront complex of the Naval Weapons Station Earle in Leonardo, New Jersey.
On the horizon, a visitor can see New York City, which is just 1 hour away by car, train, or ferry.
At the heart of Ohmsett is a large, outdoor, above-ground concrete test tank that is 203 meters long, 20 meters wide, 3.5 meters deep, and holds 10 million liters of crystal clear salt water.
Included is a wave generator capable of producing realistic waves, such as those based on Pearson-Moskowitz, John Swap, and FM Slide, and Harbor Chop, with scalable ocean water depth, wind speed, and model scale factor to create realistic sea environments for testing.
Spanning the tank are 3 movable bridges which move up and down the length of the tank on rails. The main bridge is used to tow full-size oil spill response equipment through the water at speeds of up to 6.5 knots to simulate actual towing at sea or deployment in a current. It includes an oil distribution system that allows oil to be deposited on the water in front of the equipment being tested. It is legal to spill oil at Ohmsett.
Testing is monitored from the control tower at the north end of the tank. The control tower is fully computerized, and data from various sensors and video cameras are collected for synthesis and analysis. Stored data can be retrieved and used to generate spreadsheets and graphics.
Support facilities at Ohmsett include a machine shop that provides a complete range of materials fabrication and welding services to support testing.
There is an on-site chemistry laboratory that allows for immediate measurements and chemical analysis of the physical and chemical properties of fluids during testing.
All oil analyses are performed in accordance with American Society of Testing and Materials standards.
Ohmsett also has a complete meteorological station for continuous weather measurements.
With a wide range of oil spill response equipment testing possibilities, manufacturers can test and demonstrate their products at Ohmsett for performance in oil and waves.
The facility has the capability to test fire-resistant containment booms using an air-injected propane burner system. Ohmsett allows for testing and evaluation of remote sensing instruments under a range of conditions. Sensors can be mounted on the main bridge or on the tower above the tank.
The testing capabilities have been upgraded to provide a controlled environment for cold water testing and training. This gives Ohmsett the ability to simulate realistic broken ice conditions in the tank and to remain operational year-round, offering testing and training during the winter months.
Ohmsett has been in the forefront in conducting dispersant effectiveness testing. Large tank dispersant experiments conducted here provide a critical link between small-scale laboratory and open water experiments because they can simulate real-world conditions without the permitting problems or the cost of a field release.
The facility also has the capability of performing viscous oil pumping tests, as well as evaluations of temporary storage devices and sorbent materials.
Over the years, substantial progress has been made in harnessing marine renewable energy resources, including offshore winds, tidal currents, and wave energy.
The Department of the Interior has made a commitment to support the development of alternative energy devices and has upgraded the Ohmsett facility to test these devices in a controlled environment.
In addition to providing an oil spill equipment test and evaluation facility, Ohmsett is an ideal venue for training oil spill first responders in the deployment and operation of oil spill equipment and systems.
In partnership with the U.S. Coast Guard, Texas A&M University National Spill Control School, and S.L. Ross Environmental Research Ltd., Ohmsett provides training in Coast Guard Class C response technician training, smart dispersant monitoring protocol training, oil spill response and strategies training in English and Spanish, and dispersant training for the oil spill responder.
Training emphasizes classroom exercises and practical hands-on use of the oil spill equipment in realistic conditions.
Hands-on exercises are conducted with real oil in a simulated at-sea environment.
Ohmsett's training expertise allows students to increase their recovery proficiency while receiving state-of-the-art training.
Training programs can be tailored to meet clients' specific needs.
The training facility and classroom can accommodate over 25 personnel and includes a complete multimedia suite with audio-visual equipment. Ohmsett creates oil spills in a safe environment. Without Ohmsett, tests would have to be conducted in the open ocean. This type of testing would be expensive and impossible to reproduce.
Strengthening the capability and efficiency in oil spill prevention and response is Ohmsett's mission. Together, we can make a difference in protecting our environment.